Hi, my name is Christy Knockleby, and I teach a class called Advanced Minecraft Math with the Gifted Homeschoolers Forum. And I wanted to show you today what to expect if you sign up for this class and how to get the most out of it. So this class takes place both on a Minecraft server and in a virtual classroom, and I'll show you that virtual classroom in a few minutes. So on my server, I have a number of NPCs. These are non-player characters that you can talk to, and they will explain different things about the math on Minecraft. So this one, Frederick, will explain about coordinates, and he has a little game set up so that you can go and dig for treasure, and all of the treasure is relative to this bush, the coordinates. So if you think of 0, 0, 0 being right where the dead bush is, one of the bones that are hidden from here are at -2, -2, 1. So then you press the F3 and you figure out, okay, we need -2, so that's west. And -2 will be 2 down and 1 in a positive direction. So there we go, there's a bone. I'm doing this video near Christmas time, so all our chests are nicely colored as Christmas gifts. So I have all these different NPCs. They're spread out throughout a couple of different maps, and they each have a different math concept to talk about, or some of them help give you supplies for if you're wandering in the survival world. We won't finish that conversation right now with that NPC. Just show you we have this big world here. So I encourage students to spend a little bit of time every week exploring on the server. If not in our survival world with the NPCs, then in our super flat world where we can practice using commands. So in the class, you'll be using commands such as the fill command. And the fill command, we need to give it 6 numbers. These are the coordinates of the 2 corners of the area that we want to fill, and then we give it a material, and it will create something. Here is the stone block wall I just put up. In the class, we'll be using this to build tunnels and trees, and we will be using it for creating a one-command creation. And a one-command creation is a command block that has a whole huge amount of text in it. It summons other command blocks, and we create something. We create a house just by pressing the button on that command block. So that is going to be one of the projects, is writing out a one-command creation. We'll have a couple of other big projects. I'm going to ask the students to create their own NPCs. And to do that, we're using a program called the Button Quest Editor. And we just write the conversations. Here's the list of things that the NPC can say. Right now, this guy can just say one thing. Here's the player's options. Do you have a quest for me? We can go quest, add a pointer. Now, if the player chooses, do you have a quest for me? It will go to the NPC's option. Yes, I have a quest. Can you? And I won't write out a quest right now, but I'm going to get the students to write an NPC that explains some sort of math concept. So perhaps a student will make a model. Last year I had somebody making a model of different fractions and writing out explaining about the different fractions. So we'll be doing that. We'll be making NPCs. We'll have a couple of group projects. One of the group projects we will do is building a giant calculator. And this is a calculator. It works in binary. This is the one we built last year. And what you do is you set the binary number. So we have 1, 8, we have no 4s, we have a 2. Right here, you set a binary number here and a binary number here. And then you go around the side and the glowing lights tell you what the solution to those two numbers are. And it just takes a few minutes to go through and calculate. This one might have been disconnected. Anyway, we will be working on that, making our own as a class with a bunch of redstone. And we will be doing treasure hunts. It's a really fun class. Now we spend about 50% of class time on the Minecraft server. So it's important that everyone have Minecraft for PC or Mac. iPad or Xbox don't work for this. You have to be able to connect to my server. The other part of class we spend in Electa, our online classroom. And so we do activities there. Sometimes I will draw a little stick figure and I'll say, if you're standing right there and you want to place a block here, what is the command that you could make? Sometimes we will go through and we'll talk using the chat. Now, I encourage all students to have a microphone. Then they can press this button here, turn on their microphone, and we can hear what they're saying. If you have a webcam, that's great too. It's always nice to be able to see what students look like. And the webcams, though, are optional. They're not really required. It helps to be able to type and keep up with the questions both here and in Minecraft. I have had students who can't do the typing, and if their parents are sitting and helping them, that works fine if they have an adult there. We do a lot of typing, though, because we are using Minecraft commands. It isn't just building with the blocks, though there's a lot of building that happens too. And I really enjoy the class. I enjoy seeing what the students build. We've made a lot of really awesome projects together, the students from my previous classes and I. And once a student is in a class, they can get to know other students on the server. It's really fun. But it is a lot of math. It is hard math. In the classes, you're going to learn binary. You're going to learn to use the coordinate system. You're going to be learning in the advanced Minecraft math some basic algebraic ideas. It's fun. It's a lot of work. It's through Gifted Homeschoolers Forum. You can sign up now if you haven't. If you have any questions, you can contact me. If you're in my class, I want you to know that I am always available to answer questions. I can meet students outside of class time occasionally to help if students are struggling with a particular concept. And that's it. See you later. Bye.